Every day, I get to work.
Working behind the scenes.
To help my community.
So when it's time to get to work,
I do it efficiently.
And quietly.
to keep the roads open.
The landscape groomed.
And families having fun.
I need a vehicle that's made to work.
A rig that can handle the tough jobs I face Monday through Friday.
I don't have time for toys when I need to get to work.
No matter what the conditions.
A vehicle agile enough to go wherever I need to go.
Strong enough to tow a ton.
And tough enough to make sure the whole town can get to work.
I want to choose the right speed for the job.
And the right speed for my crew.
Clearing the way.
Tackling projects.
No matter what needs to get done.
It's what I do.
It's who I am.
And with the right partner,
I can get to work and get the work done.